What's up, guys? Come hiking with me. As a person who freaking hates hiking. So, this should be fun. This is my mom.
Hi. We're going on a stroll. She'd never make it on a hike.
We're going on a hike. This is my man.
We're gonna try to climb a little bit.
Maybe. I got nails, so can't really climb too much. I think we're finna climb some rocks. Unfortunately. Doesn't really seem that safe to me.
I'm also not 7 foot tall, so there's that.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes for my big fat ass.
It's not too bad over here.
Yeah. Oh yeah. A little waterfall. Very cutesy. Kind of looks like swamp water to me, but
I'm surprised you were cool with going over there.
why?
There's spiders and shit on
There were
the rocks.
spiders? There were spiders?
No,
Did you see some?
no, there are no spiders.
You saw some?
No.
Oh no.
No.
There were spiders on the rock apparently.
Oh, shit.
Look at her. She's just content on fucking bamboozling me. Ooh, this is a steep walk. Oh, lordy. This always happens every time we go hiking with my mom.
20 feet ahead.
She's just all the way up there. She be too geeked. Damn. I'm fucking struggling already. I don't even get exercise. I be laying on my bed playing Roblox all day.
Or laying in your chair playing Stardew.
Yeah. All right. Now we are on a flat surface.
For now.
For now. Oh shit. I'm already out of breath. I'm out of shape. I don't think we're walking in the right place. We're by a bunch of houses. Think we might be off just a little bit. We're back at the waterfall.
Oh, you can see it from up here.
Yeah, but now we are up here. And we're climbing on rocks again. And now we're going across something that seems really unsafe. I'm scared. Oh no. Okay. I'm gonna walk closer to this side because this side seems less scary. Then oh shit, I looked down and my fucking heart fell in my asshole. Woo! Y'all see that? Scary. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna stay right here. I ain't going down there. Go, Mom, go. I'll stay right here. I'm good. I don't want to die today.
You don't die from a fall like that.
Dude, the last time I went on a hike was probably over a year ago. I think last time I went on a hike, bro, I got attacked by a swarm of bugs. I literally stepped out and they all fucking swarmed up. It was so scary. I was screaming my head off, running around like a chicken with his head cut off. It was terrifying. You should have been there, Anthony. You probably would have got a kick out of it. But can we agree that the bugs attacked me?
That one was legit. I'll give you that.
Thank you.
Seems like a very Illinois thing.
He's saying that Illinois seems like cannibal territory.
What?
More so Kentucky. Oh my God.
But Illinois too.
The leaf tried to get me. It tried to touch me, Mom. No, the leaf. Yeah? Why so? Oh, there's a gate. Oh yeah, we're finna get ate up. They don't like us though because we got tattoos. They might like you. You got a little more real estate to eat than me, Mama. So we might push you. We might push you for the fucking breeding.
Add a little more to the incest gene pool. Try to make sure their kids aren't fucked up.
Y'all are so weird.
There.
So maybe we go back. I don't really want to get ate up.
These are roads.
Okay, let's go back.
Okay.
We're gonna go back.
No, there's a big ass gate with a stop sign on it.
Yeah. Maybe we were supposed to stop.
Stop sign because there's not a horn.
Stop sign?
Stop sign.
Y'all haven't seen that video? I'm so sick of y'all. I'm gonna have to put a clip in the video. We are going to take a snack break because I'm hungry. And we found these cutie little picnic tables. Preferably one that doesn't look like I would get asbestos from it. What is that? Is that the right word?
Hepatitis.
Hepatitis.
That's Newport.
What?
Are you eating your Cheetos on camera?
Yeah. I'm gonna put little sounds over them.
Oh, cool. This is a road.
This is my walking speed, bitch. Bet you never seen a big ass man do a toe click. Okay, we're making our way to the swing set. It's literally one of the only reasons I came on this hike. Is to swing and go to the chocolate factory. Oh, Mom's getting distracted. Great. Never mind. I would prefer not to step in water.
I told you to wear better shoes.
I mean, I don't ever want to step in water, even if I'm where that seems like Tick Central and I'm not getting in there. And I see a fucking tadpole swimming right now as we speak.
Oh no, not a frog.
Oh my God! There's like 17 million tadpoles. Hold on. Are those tadpoles or fish?
Probably a little bit of both.
I think they're tadpoles.
Looks like a good climbing route.
You want to try? Go, babe, go. Finally going to swing.
Well, I don't know if my hips are built for this.
We're so swinging. Oh.
They're not swinging very aesthetically, are they? Look. What?
You want to swing with us?
No, that swing's real short over there. Look how short that swing is. It's like on the ground. Look how tall.
Okay, it's enough. I got a phobia.
She's scared of everything on the hike today. We're too high, the bugs are too buggy. There may be ticks in the grass.
Okay, now we're finna go to the chocolate factory. Woo, 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 woo. So cute. So freaking cute.
Yeah, I'm really looking at this one right here.
What is that one?
Apricot preserves.
I got a salted caramel brownie ice cream cone. Okay, we're gonna do a chocolate factory haul. So, first things first. This is all of the chocolate that I got. I got a little crocodile. So cute. I got an Oreo. Got a little orange slice. And a deviled egg. Freaking cute. Okay. And then Anthony got, I don't even know what these were. What were these?
Toffee squares.
Toffee squares. And I got a Rice Krispie treat covered in chocolate. And lastly, our big fat asses, we got some fudge. I got peanut butter fudge and he got, what kind of fudge did you get?
Sea salt.
Sea salt fudge. And that is all that we got. So I'm probably gonna end the video here. Bye guys.
High volume.
Am I really that?